Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. See, now today I will take the examples based on integration. Okay, the previous class we learned integration of k f of x dx is k integration of f of x dx. Means if constant is multiplied by some function, we can take k outside, constant outside, do the integration of the given function. Next, integration of f of x plus or minus g of x plus or minus h of x, continuation. Integral of the sum can be written as sum of the integrals, sum of difference. N1 we can write f of x plus or minus g of x plus or minus h of x plus or minus the continuation process we consider. Okay, based on that 2-3 examples last class we done. Now I will take next type of examples. Integrate the following with respect to x. Okay, the example based on just I will do the formula of integration of x to the power n. You know that x to the power n integration is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This integral will represent indefinite integrals. Okay, for that we know the example we consider, that is x plus 1 by x the whole square with respect to x. Find the integration with respect to x. This is exactly in the form of that is in the form of a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. The same formula we are applying here, and we will get it is in the form of x square plus 2, a is x, b is 1 by x, 2x into 1 by x plus b square is 1 by x the whole square dx. X get cancelled, integration of x square plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 by x square dx. Okay, and now we can do the integration. Make it separate integration, or else we can do directly. See x square integration. Last class I explained, if integration is exists, the power is increased by 1 and it is divided by 3. If differentiation is exist, power is reduced by 1 and it is multiplied. Okay, that constant. Here integration therefore x cube by 3. Okay, next 2. Okay, constant, and we know that integration of 1 dx is x. Therefore integration of 2 dx we can write 2x. Correct. Therefore we can write this 2x plus. Next, integration of 1 by x square mentioned. This is in the form of x to the power minus 2 dx. The formula what says x to the power n. What is the formula of x to the power? X to the power n is x to the power n plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Therefore we can write this one as x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Means x to the power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by minus 1. Means minus 1 by x. Right? Minus 1 by x. X to the power minus 1 we can write 1 by x by using the integration. Okay, this can be written as 1 by x plus c. This is the answer. This is how we can do the example. Okay. Next, instead of square, I will take cube. X cube. Okay. For that cube, we know the formula already. I will give the formula. That is, the formula is of the form a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into bracket a plus b. But what is your a? X, b is 1 by x. Therefore we can write x cube plus 1 by x cube. 1 by x the whole cube means 1 by x cube plus 3ab is 3. What is your a? X, b 1 by x. A plus b, x plus 1 by x with respect to means we can write x cube plus 1 by x cube, x get cancelled plus 3, right? See, 3 multiplied by x, 3x, 3 multiplied by 1 by x, we get 3 by x. With respect to x. Okay, and x cube. Okay, we know that x cube can be written as x to the power 4 by 1 power is equal. Next 1 by x cube, just concentrate, 1 by x cube dx. See, 1 by x cube written as x to the power minus 3. Correct? X to the power minus 3 means we can write x to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 means x to the power minus 2 by minus 2. Correct? Minus 1 by 2 square. Okay, 1 minus 1 by 2 x square. Therefore, we can write as minus 1 by 2 x square plus 3 as it is x, and we know that x integration is x square by 2. Okay, plus 3 as it is. We know that last class I given 1 by x integration. 1 by x integration is log x. Therefore, 3 as it is 1 by x. 1 by x integration is log x plus c. We can do it directly, or else we'll do another one step, x cube dx plus integration of 1 by x cube dx plus 3 as it is integration of x dx plus 3 as it is 1 by x dx. Do you understand? X cube integration is x to the power 4 by 4. 1 by x cube, just now I explained, minus 1 by 2 x square. 3 as it is, x the integration is x square by 2. 3 as it is, 1 by x integration is log x. This is how we can do the example. Okay, and I will do example for homework. Please try that to example in home. X minus 1 by x the whole square, x minus 1 by x the cube, and another one is x plus 1 the whole cube with respect to x. Please try this the example in home. Okay, next example. Next example is mentioned integration of root x plus 1 by root x dx. Means we can write it is integration of root x dx plus integration of 1 by root x dx. Okay. See, integration of root x means it is nothing but x to the power of dx plus 1 by means it is x to the power minus half dx. Correct. Next, according to we know that integration of x to the power n. X to the power n integration is what? X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, it is we can write x to the power half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus integration of x to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c. Okay, x to the power half plus 1 means x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Next, plus x to the power minus half plus 1 means we can write minus 1 plus 2, half. Minus half plus 1 divided by plus, okay, denominator x, therefore we can write 2 by 3. 3 by 2, if we take numerator it is 2 by 3. X to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Right? 2 by 1. X to the power half. Plus. Okay. And please take it as this is also add the formula in your formula chart. Integration of 1 by root x dx is what? Integration of 1 by root x is 2 x to the power half plus c. Or else you can write 2 root x, x to the power half means 2 root x plus c. Please add this one also we are repeatedly using one by one text in your formula chart. Add that one by one text is to text. That one repeatedly we are using. Next, okay. Next one mention. Find the integral. Find the integral. Okay. Find the integral of antiderivative. Please remember that antiderivative or integral meaning is same of the following functions with respect to x. Find the integral of the antiderivative of the following functions with respect to x. Example, first example, integration of 1 by 1 minus sin x dx. Integration of 1 by 1 minus sin x dx. Okay, see, this is integration of 1 by 1 minus sin x. Actually, we don't know exactly if it exists in the denominator. To remove that one, we are taking the conjugate 1 by 1 minus sin x. Conjugate of 1 minus sin x is 1 plus sin x. We are multiplying 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x. If you multiply and divide, the function will not change. Therefore, we can write this one as 1 plus sin x. This is into divided by, this is a minus b, a plus b. Correct. A minus b, a plus b means a square minus b square. 1 square minus sin square x dx. Or else we can write 6 sin square x plus cos square x. We have the formula 1. Correct. Then cos square x formula is what? 1 minus sin square x. Correct. Just concentrate 1 square. 1 square can be written as 1 only. 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. We have to substitute 1 plus sin x divided by cos square x dx. Okay. Next, make it separate division. 1 by cos square x dx plus integration of sin x by cos square x dx. Correct. Next, we know that 1 by cos is what? Sec. Therefore, we can have integration of secant square x dx plus, and this can be written as 1 by cos x into sin x by cos x dx. Did you understand? See, 1 cos square is there. If you multiply cos into cos square will get 1 into sin, the same form will get. Why I will take like this? Just I will do the explanation. Integration of secant square x dx plus 1 by cos, we know that sec x, sin by cos, tan x dx. Okay. And we know the integration of secant square x. Just go through the formula chart. Integration of secant square x is tan x. Sec x plus tan x is sec x plus. That's why we converted the given example is in the form. Next one I will give the homework. Please try to solve the example in home. Integration of 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. Take this one as home. Okay. Next one I will do integration of 1 by 1 plus cos x. Right. The same pattern what we have done in the previous example. Take this conjugate. Correct. Integration of 1 by 1 plus cos x. Its conjugate is 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x with respect to x. And we get it is 1 minus cos x divided by a plus b minus b, so a square minus b square means 1 square minus cos square x dx. And we know that 1 square is 1. Therefore 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square is sin square. Okay. And make it separate division. 1 by sin square x dx minus cos x by sin square x dx. Okay. And we can write this one as 1 by sin square x is integration of cos x square x dx minus one part is 1 by sin x what we have done earlier, and another part is cos x by sin x. Okay. And integration of cos x square x, we have the formula, please go through the chart. Minus cot x minus 1 by sin is cosec x, cos by sin is cot x dx. And this is minus cot x minus, and we know that integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x plus, means we can write it as minus cot x plus cosec x plus c. Another one example I will do one. Please try this example as 1 by 1 minus cos x dx. Next one, take one. Okay. Next example is mentioned integration of x cube minus 1 by x square dx. Integrate or find the antiderivative. Divide throughout by x square, because this is x square is common, minus 1 by x square dx. Means we can write 1 x square, 1 it cancel, x minus 1 by x square dx. And we know that integration of x is x square by 2. And we know that 1 by x square, 1 by x square can be as x to the power minus 2. Okay, x to the power minus 2 integration is of x to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 means minus 2 plus 1 is x to the power minus 1 by minus 1. We get minus 1 by x. Therefore, this can be written as minus 1 by x plus c. If we add c, we will not affect x square by 2 plus 1 by x plus c. Why we are taking? Because of it is indefinite integral. Okay. Next example, if I take integration of sin x plus cos x dx. 1 marks question. See, integration of sin x integration is minus cos x integration is sin x plus. This is how we can do the example. Okay. Next example is integration of sin x by cos square x dx. Simple, not comes question again. Already I explained this one in the previous example. The same pattern is given. 1 by cos x into sin x by cos x dx. See, 1 by cos x is secant x, sin by cos is tan x. Instead of giving this one, I have given the example in the form of sin by cos. Secant x plus secant x into tan x is sec x plus c is the form. Okay. Next example is mentioned, integration of x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 into e to the power x minus 1 by x dx. This is given. Okay. X to the power 3 by 2 integration is what? X to the power, better I will take separate, 3 by 2 dx plus 2 I will take outside e to the power x dx, because if we take constant with multiplication, take constant outside, minus 1 by x dx. X to the power 3 by 2 integration is what? 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 e to the power x integration is e to the power x minus 1 by x is log x plus 3 by 2 plus 1 we get 5 by 2. Therefore, we can have x to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus 2 e to the power x minus log x plus. This is how we can get the given example.